Okay, so this is a continuation to my former post, from a former video. Let's analyze some stocks here. So I took from investing the daily chart of all kind of indices, the ones that made the biggest moves. Okay, so the Nasdaq, as you can see, that most of the US shares made the low on October 26 and the high on July 19. Okay, so this is the time frame that we are analyzing. So what we have here, it is called the cup and handle pattern, the cup and handle pattern. Okay, and I put here, because this is the cup and this is the handle. Okay, so I put on this pattern the Fibonacci sequences, and I put in the swing stop. If you are a long-term trader, then the swing stop is at for the Nasdaq, for the IXIC, it's at 15,588. I also use the moving averages, which is the most basic tool to use in the technical analysis. So using the crossovers from one to the other, they will give us the major trend. Okay, so we see that the three moving averages are one above the other, so all is good, and we can use this swing stop and expecting the next Fibonacci level, which is 17,240, which is quite long, quite far away, but we shall see. And the change in trend will be March 5. If you follow my former video, you will understand why is March 6 to 8 and 13 are very important dates. Then I looked at the NDX, the NDX, okay, again the same situation. It's very easy to trade the US market because they are topping and bottoming on the same dates. So here the 17,802 is the support, and above it we are long, expecting these levels. The US Tech, the technology group, which was very, very strong, we could see in this chart, then the 1 week performance on technology is 380%. So technology is a leading index. So we are very, very strong here. And of course we can also use the 1 hour chart and narrow down the stops. Okay, so this is still showing us that the trend is very strong. Each moving average is one above the other, so we are long above the third low candle in the 1 hour chart. In this one, composite, GSP, the Russell. I made the Russell. I know that many people trade the Russell. The Russell moved differently from all the other indices. This is also the daily chart, and the swing stop here is 1967. It topped on December 27 and fell, unlike the other indices, unlike the others. Above that, we have the S&P 500. S&P 500, the same situation, we are long here. Then we have the Euro Stocks 50. also very strong. We have here the stop is the former top, which is 415. Okay, so we are long here. Then we have the Microsoft. I looked at Microsoft, which is one of the most important mega stocks. Okay, it trades in very, very strong volume. So what do we have here? If I look at the yearly chart, then the target is 416, 456. If I look at the closer time frame, then the stop is 402 and the target are all the Fibonacci levels. Okay, we can see that here too the moving averages are very strong and one above the other, so no sign of falling of a reversal. Then we have I made the QQQ. The QQQ swing stop is 430 and we are long above it, targeting these targets. What else? QQQ, XLK. I wrote about it in the blog several times. The XLK, the swing stop is 204 and targets are as I posted here. And okay, what else I can show you? I can show you some shares like NVDA. All the world is trading the NVDA. Okay, what do we see here? It went up, huge move since October. October 12 was the last low, not 26 as the other shares. It went up by 585%. And if I take the former top and draw the Fibonacci level on it, then we have 705 is the stop and can go to 826 or even higher. But who knows? Okay, let us see. We can go day by day. We can see here that if I enlarge this period when it was consolidating, for a long time. I posted this in my blog also. So consolidation can give us the 700 and 763 levels, as it reached 700 yesterday. It closed at 721, so can go higher. If I use the planets, 721 is very, very important, is the Pluto level, so I can write here, call out 721 stop, and looking at the sky, 721, 720 and target, 727, 29, 29, 740. These are the planetary targets. Okay. NVDA. Watch the February 21 when it will have earnings. We can also see who is selling. So if somebody from the inner circle is selling, then he knows something that we don't know. Always watch who is selling what. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show you for the time being, and